how you should be at the staging area at Montecito Drive and Ignacio Valley Road, or one of the alternate staging areas. Before you head out, let's try to imagine Lime Ridge in the early 20th century. Think farms all around us. But right here where we're standing, picture an important industrial operation. Lime was first mined here in 1851, but things really got going in 1907, when the Henry Cowell Lime and Cement Company set up a cement mill to process the lime, just below the mine site. That cement was produced from 1908 until the late 1940s. About 10% of the sedimentary rock in the world is limestone. The Great Pyramid in Egypt is made of it, and in this country you'll often find courthouses, banks, and train stations made of limestone. The stone here at Lime Ridge isn't especially high quality, but after the 1906 San Francisco earthquake, when fears about fire were high, building materials made with lime started to look like a great alternative to wood. In the company town of Cowell, they fired up limestone and other materials to more than 2,600 degrees Fahrenheit to make cement, a vital ingredient in strong, non-flammable concrete. The town of Cowell is memorialized today in Concord's Crossings neighborhood, just the other side of Ignacio Valley Road.
The only thing that remained for 60 years after that was a huge smokestack, or what looked like a smokestack, in the Crossings development across the road here, but which got shaky and they had to take it down. What people don't know is it wasn't a smokestack, it was actually the result of one of the first environmental lawsuits in this area. The farmers sued the lime and cement company because the lime dust was killing all their crops. The answer was to build a big tall tower to spread the lime dust over a wider area so it wouldn't kill the neighboring farmers' crops.
Even after the lime mining stopped, mining for sand continued. Then came the housing developments. In 1974, voters approved 2 regional bond issues that enabled the cities of Walnut Creek and Concord to acquire this land as open space. So let's go explore it. Now we're going to head toward the peak on an east side trail. If you're starting at the Montecito staging area, walk through the Lime Ridge entrance gate and up the fire road for a couple of minutes. Turn left at the first signpost. On that road, you'll pass by picturesque valley oaks. Those are the ones with the deep, wavy indentations in their leaves, and you'll see some terrific views on your left. On your right will be some small quarry sites, where you can get a close-up look at the ridge's limestone. In 5 minutes of walking, you'll reach another signpost and a fork in the trail. The fire road goes behind the Montecito development to a failed wetlands restoration project in an old sand quarry. A single-track trail takes off to the right. Stop at that junction, the entrance to Paradise Valley.